Begin transmission. I am the Lore Master, and today's lesson will be the basics of the Space Marines, or Adeptus Astartes. The Legions Astartes is the formal designation for the combat force, often referred to as the Space Marines. They represent the peak of military prowess, and are the most daunting combat entity within the Imperium. A majority of their ranks hail from feral planets, where warrior groups vie for the esteemed title of Warrior of the Gods. These feral planets, with their raw and ancient landscapes, produce some of the fiercest fighters. Yet, when it comes to raw aggression and a predilection for violence, only a few can rival the dangerous inhabitants of the urban depths found within the hive worlds. These relentless individuals, pushed to the brink by the intense challenges of hive world existence, often escape the attention of official oversight. The sprawling enclaves they inhabit are so extensive that any attempts at complete removal seem nearly impossible. Such individuals, however, are prime candidates for the Space Marines. Entire factions from these urban depths are, on occasion, sought out and recruited for their ranks. A smaller fraction emerges from the more developed sectors of the Imperium. Initiates undergo rigorous sessions of training and assimilation, resulting in both physical and cognitive metamorphosis. Biochem augments their physical resilience, while psychosurgery strengthens their mental fortitude. A unique black polymer shell integrates with their skin, acting both as a mark of identity and a continuous shield. The ultimate goal of this regimen is to shape the Marine into a disciplined killer, or at the very least a controllable one. In comparison to standard military forces, the Space Marines operate on a distinct paradigm. Their foundational unit, known as a chapter, is overseen by its designated Imperial commander. Each chapter functions as an independent military entity. Though numbering only 1,000 Space Marines, their combat capabilities far exceed that of many regular forces. Chapters maintain their distinct insignia, vehicles, support staff, and so forth, with the capability of interstellar travel using their specific crafts. Their mobility often positions them as the vanguard during conflicts, launching surgical strikes and ambushes. Their unwavering intensity in battle has earned them the moniker Angels of Death. Chapters anchor themselves to a specific base, which might be situated on an Imperial planet, or perhaps a desolate moon or asteroid. The secrecy surrounding their base's location varies among chapters. An Imperial planet is often sought after, where the chapter's leader might negotiate terms with the planet's ruler, offering contributions in exchange for establishing their stronghold. The presence of a Marine chapter can be reassuring for local governance, deterring potential threats. Within each chapter, Marines are referred to as battle brothers or battle kin. Each chapter encompasses administrative personnel, upkeep crews, transportation units, and around 1,000 Space Marines. At the helm of every chapter stands a veteran Marine bearing the title of Imperial Commander. These elite fighters are categorized into combat units of 10 Marines, with each unit being overseen by a sergeant. A grouping of 10 squads constitutes a company, which is directed by a Marine captain. Support personnel, vital but non-combative, are systematically arranged into roles such as technicians, starship crew members, and so on. Every chapter maintains its roster of dedicated astropaths and navigators, while medical and communications experts are coordinated at the chapter tier, but operate as individuals on the battlefield. Typically, a chapter accommodates between 4 and 8 medical specialists. But we will learn more about specific Marine chapters in later videos. This ends today's lesson. Let us part with a quote from an unknown fallen Marine. "Spare your sorrow. I wasn't destined to witness the world's fading light. Life's value lies not in its duration, but in the actions of individuals.